one down there.
We're stopping to investigate the sound of the frogs.
Gotta see those are really frogs.
They're really loud. It's a lot back there.
There's gotta be one at least right there.
It's loud, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
It must be down up under the grass. Because they don't hear it nowhere else, just in this spot, right?
Other spots too.
We found a trail over there, but he didn't want to go in.
Do you want to go in?
A little bit. Let's see.
I remember when we were watching the movie at the old house, and the yellow ran.
Oh, yeah, cheese balls. I don't know if I got any of those. Cleo, don't leave us. We stick together. Come on. Be careful. She'll never come. She always scared. See, there's birds back there. Cleo think I'm crazy. Come on. You think I'm crazy too, don't you?
Sometimes I think it's...
At least he honest. Shh, don't tell nobody we're in the woods. Let's see if we're going to find our way around. That's a whole path right there. Oh, shoot. I did that. This thing right, I stepped on it and it moved.
What do you think it was?
I don't know, but I was about to run. I'm gonna come back and see what's over here. I'm scared.
It's next to me.
I don't see no snake.
Oh, could you grab down from the tree?
Well, don't think about that. We don't think about that. Lord, protect us. We think about all the goodness. See? Ain't no snakes up there. Just gotta pay attention. That's not a snake.
I know it's a wood.
Don't be trying to scare me.
I'm not.
I'm not going far. Look, but this the creek right here. Look, we came far. That's the creek. Oh, look, the wind blowing through the trees. Come on. We're gonna go through here, then we're going back because it's getting dark. And you're right, I don't want to get caught up in something.
Oh God, don't tell me there's ants.
No, it's kind of cold for ants. Look, we can go all the way down to the creek right here.
No, we are going back.
We're going back.
Do you even know the path back?
Yeah. Go back the way we came. We're not stuck. You know the path back, see? Oh Lord, they got me.
What?
You just gonna leave me, wasn't you?
No.
Be careful. Oh Lord. Lord, they got me. We made it. Hallelujah. We made it. Thank you. Oh, you're such a gentleman. My baby is such a gentleman. Okay. Cleo is not bothered with us at all. Bless you. Put your hood on your head. Tie your shoe, please. Appreciate you. All right. I just wanted to share our nature walk. To join us now that we done came out the woods. She do not even be fooling with me when I feel like exploring. At least I had my baby to go with me this time, because Cleo be leaving me by myself.
It was stuck in my shoe.
Yeah, take your shoe off. I'm just enjoying nature. I'm so grateful to be able to time with my baby and look at that beautiful moon. Yep. We're gonna head back and spend some time with the Most High. Maybe watch a movie, get some foods.
Right.
Don't fall. Your shoe keep coming loose. I hope y'all are having a wonderful evening. Finding reasons to be grateful. Enjoying all the beauty that the Most High has created for us. Maybe go explore some woods, enchanted forests.
I never got to explore the woods.
You never got to explore the woods before?
No.
Well, it's the first time for everything. Did you enjoy yourself? We made it alive, didn't we?
Yeah.
We all right?
Yeah.
You still here? You still got all your limbs? Everything intact?
Yeah.
Did you die?
No.
No. Because the Most High got our back, and nature is our friend. I love y'all, and so does the Most High. Have a good night. Shabbat Shalom.